met Khurram Sahib when he was working on the Haram, and I was working on Makkah as a whole. I had just written the first book, The Future of Muslim Civilization. In those days, Makkah was just full of people flying, Makkah and Jeddah. Lots of conferences were being held, so I was discussing these ideas with all of them, including, of course, Khurram Sahib at great length.
He learned the deen from one of the greatest scholars of this era, and that is obviously Maulana Maududi. From a very young age, he became inspired by him, and his agenda was to bring people closer to Allah. And that is something which earned him a lot of respect, and we see today that people remember him, and he still has a huge impact on a lot of people who are in top places today.